ocellated turkey with a bow. To the right of it, you can see my fire knock. What an awesome feeling. Everybody, we'll swing around here. This is my guide, Mito. Let me zoom out here. There's Mito. That's my guide. Mito can whistle these birds in. Unbelievable. It's quite a hunt. This is just the first afternoon. Okay, Mito and I just walked up on my first ocellated bird. Here's George's fire knock. And here, see there? I don't know if it shows up in the camera or not. But George's fire knock lit up good. Mito, hold the bird up. Hold him up. Yeah, hold him up. Show them colors. Show that tail fan. Beautiful birds, beautiful. Now his head. Yeah. See. Let me get some close up. Hold it like that. Beautiful. Pictures don't do them justice. Don't do them justice at all. And this is the farmer that we're hunting on. Muchos gracias. Muchos gracias.
Muy bien.
Oh, the color, everything on these birds is just phenomenal. Everything's great about it. Let me turn around, standing by Mito, and show you the blind where we was at there. That's about 24, 25 yard shot. Wasn't bad. The